Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Ford Bronco by Matchbox. It's the Bronco Sport, so it's actually smaller than the Bronco, the normal Bronco you get. And that's a body and frame, and this one is a unibody. It's more like a crossover, and that's a proper ladder frame SUV. That's talking about the real life. So again, I do like the casting of the cars which you see every day on the road, and being in North America, I see this Bronco Sport every other day, people driving. So always want casting like this. So let's unbox it and see how does it look. And before we do that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Let's do it. So do tell me what kind of castings do you like? Do you like casting of the fancy cars? I don't. I mostly want to collect castings of the cars which are like you can see on the road every day. Maybe some classic cars, which you don't see on the road, but they look good. So here it is, the Bronco Sport. The first glance, I do like the color. The paint looks good, and I've seen this on the actual car, so good job, Matchbox there. So let's start the review from the front now. Up front, you've got the Bronco grille, which looks like the bigger one, but like the actual Bronco, it's actually smaller, and the headlamps are also different. And it's nicely detailed too. So here you can see the headlamp goes all the way, but on the actual Bronco, it's just a round headlamp. And yeah, it's nicely detailed. You got the LED DRLs, got the Bronco, you got the details for the grille up front, fog lamps, but they are not painted, so if you want you can add it. Also you can see the hood is nicely detailed. You can see the scoop here. Good. And I'm glad they did both the mirror, and they are actually like the shape you get on the actual Bronco, a bit squarish. You also got the windshield wipers, and you can see the rear view mirror. Now this whole part is plastic, but it looks a bit different because this one looks like it's been stuck on the top. So if you see from the side in the windows, you can see this piece here, which looks a bit weird in my opinion, but doesn't look bad. If you look closely then you can figure it out. So let's move to the driver's side now. I like the wheels. They look like beadlock wheels, and they actually suit an SUV. So again, good detail, good wheels there. You got the door handles, body lines, fuel filler cap, and it does mimic the actual design elements of the Bronco Sport. Also you can see from the side it has got roof rails and a rack. No, it's not a rack, it's another bar where you can put the racks. It just got that, and how the roof kind of up steps up here. Got the shark fin antenna, so nice details on the top. Coming to the back, again it's nicely detailed. You got the big Bronco Sport badge, tail lamps, the Ford badge, your place for number plate, lock for the trunk here, the rear wiper, and even the hinges for the tailgate. So nice details there too. Yeah, it's a nicely detailed casting. On the passenger side, almost identical from the driver's side, the only difference being the missing fuel filler, which is on the driver's side. The interior looks like it's been done in black, and I can see it kind of a mixed actual interior, and you can also see the display kind of coming out there. So again, yeah, good details. I do like the wheels. I don't know if I haven't seen this on Matchbox before, but they do look nice. This is how it looks from the bottom. If it's a 2024 Bronco Sport. So overall, I like this casting. The only thing which kind of this big plastic piece inside, which kind of looks weird. Maybe they could have just blacked out the window, it would have looked much better then. But overall, the paint job, the details, even the wheels, they look nice. Even the black cladding going all the way, they look nice. and it looks, especially for a mainline Matchbox, it's a nice casting. And if you see one, go grab it. And if you own one, definitely grab it. So those are my thoughts. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.